Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinku Foodies. Today I'm sharing another delicious festive treat, Besan Laddus with a healthy twist. These easy to make laddus are free from ghee and refined sugar, and they are rich in healthy fats, fiber and protein. If you are also a fan of Besan Laddus like me, you should definitely give this recipe a try. And if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. We'll start by roasting the almonds. In a low to medium heated pan, add 1 cup raw almonds and roast them for about 5 minutes. Stir constantly so they don't burn. Next, add half cup of walnuts and continue roasting for another 3 minutes. Finally, add in 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut and roast for 1 more minute. Turn off the heat and let them cool for a while. Now in the same pan, add in 3/4 cup of gram flour and roast it on low heat for about 15 minutes. Keep stirring for even roasting and to prevent burning. Once it turns golden and gives a nutty aroma, turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Now add in the roasted nuts into a food processor or a high-powered blender. Along with 3 to 4 cardamoms. And blend well until they turn into a smooth and creamy butter. This process takes some time, so pause occasionally, scrape down the sides if needed, and continue blending until you get a creamy consistency like this. Now add half cup of tightly packed, roughly chopped, soft dates. I'm using Medjool dates. Feel free to add any variety you like. Blend again till everything is nicely combined. Now add in the roasted besan and blend one last time till everything is well combined. Our Besan Laddu mixture is ready. Transfer this mixture to a bowl and make laddus. If you want, you can mix in other flours like roasted whole wheat flour, ragi or oat flour along with besan. Also, you can replace almonds and walnuts with your choice of nuts. Cashews, peanuts will work as well. Now we'll garnish the laddus with finely chopped almonds. Or if you want, you can mix in the chopped almonds and raisins while shaping the laddus. I love this healthy version of Besan Laddus. No ghee, no refined sugar, and plus they are packed with protein. Delicious enough for mithai and healthy enough for a snack. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try this healthy and delicious festive treat and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.